A new study says children as young as 8 years old should be screened for anxiety. That's from the United States Preventive Task Force.
News 10's Portia Williams joins us now live in the studio. She explains why experts say this can be beneficial to your children.
Patrice Rondrell, I spoke with the clinical supervisor at the Hamilton Center. She says she sees a higher level of anxiety in many of our young ones. Missy Burton with the Hamilton Center says young children should be screened for anxiety. She tells me situations like the pandemic have raised issues in children's mental health. She adds there are a lot of advantages to catching it early.
One of the benefits is to be able to, as we say, head things off at the pass. If we're recognizing that our children have some anxiety, we could do some interventions early. We could be doing some skills training, just acknowledging their feelings and helping them learn to cope with those big feelings.
Indiana resident James Bigsby is a proud father to his young child. He agrees with getting children screened at a young age.
I think anxiety is a big issue with everyone. I just think the earlier you can track it, or the earlier you'll be able to test it, the more beneficial it will be.
Bigsby says anxiety runs in the family. He adds if he were to start showing signs of anxiety, he would get him screened right away.
Anxiety prevents you from being the best you, and not being able to identify that or deal or cope with that. It just prevents you from being your best self.
Burton says there are some signs you should look for in your children. These include your children not sleeping well, a change in appetite, and irritability. The next step is acknowledging your child may be having issues.
Little ones have big feelings, just like we do, but they don't often have the words to express them. So by acknowledging you're having really big feelings, how can I help you right now? What is it that you need? What is your anxiety trying to tell you?
If you think your child may be struggling with a mental health issue, the Hamilton Center has a screening they can do. Back to you.